Welcome to this 5-minute Pilates class focusing on back strength. For some of the exercises, we're going to be pressing the feet into the wall. That's 100% optional. You can always do this without a wall as well. If you're ready to get started with this quick Pilates workout, join me on the mat. Let's begin this back focus class with a gentle warm up for the spine. So hands can come to shoulders. Inhale, rotate to one side. And exhale, center. And then switch sides. Inhale, rotate, second side. And center. And just take your time with this exercise. Really trying to focus on the upper spine, initiating the rotation. The pelvis, the low spine, stays relatively still. And one more time each side. Very nice. Stay center. Now roll into the front side of your body. If you have a wall handy, press your feet against the wall. Hands come right underneath the shoulders. So strong, straight legs. Press gently into hands, upper and mid back to lift. And exhale, lower down. So starting with supported back extension, inhale. And exhale. Strong legs, little bit of assistance from the hands. And we'll stay up this next time where you lift, keep breathing deeply, reach the fingers back to the toes. Now open arms across from the shoulders. And the next time you inhale, reach the arms back behind you, lift up a little higher. Open arms, lower down partway. And let's repeat that. Inhale, exhale. This is slow and intentional, trying to really sense the work in the upper, mid, maybe eventually a little bit into the low. 2 more times. One last time. Very nice. Hands come underneath the shoulders. Push yourself up onto hands, onto knees. And isolate the work back to just the uppermost part where your spine extends. And return. The uppermost part of your spine tries to extend. And return. So the lower back, the pelvis, staying really still. This is very, very small. So going slower can be really helpful for this movement. And one last time. Very nice. Take one hand to the shoulder, rotate your spine, and then come back center. I'll do this a few more times. Now maybe working a little bit deeper into rotation here. And another time. And switching out your sides. Whenever you're ready, rotating through. We'll go back to bigger spine extension after this. And another time through here. Very nice. Come back down onto your front side on the mat, pressing feet to wall. Reach your arms in front of you, long and strong, arms to legs. Lift arms up, lift spine, lower down. So arms and back lift to up. You can always take hands behind the head as an option. Or even hands underneath shoulders. So find the arm option that's right for you right now. One last time. Very nice. Take the hands underneath your shoulders. Assisted spine extension. Use your arms. We come up just a little bit, or bigger range. What's nice for you? Lowering down. And let's do that 2 more times. And another time. Very nice. Press back now into child's pose. Just take a nice deep counter stretch. Inhale and exhale. Another deep breath here. You can stay here as long as you'd like, stretching through. Whenever you're ready, bring yourself up to a kneeling or seated position. An amazing work on that class. Really hope you feel stronger in your back to support you no matter where your day takes you. If you enjoyed these 5-minute Pilates classes for strength, make sure that you check out the extended series within the Trifecta Pilates membership and app, in which we have a 5-minute series for mobility and stretch. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon for either another class here on YouTube or just maybe within the Trifecta Pilates membership and app.